left unclaimed, so they were buried by the police in the usual way that this is treated. Siyempre, ano yan eh, when you're running the peace and order of a certain area at meron kang ganun na hanap, it becomes a concern of the police. Pero pag hindi na-claim yung victim at yun, ano nangyari, nilibing na lang nila yun doon. Kasi hindi rin kinlaim sa funeraria ng mga families.
Sir, from what you know and dun sa reports po na nakarating sa inyo, ito pong tatlong katawan na sabi nyo nga po lumutang noon sa Taal, ano po yung kondisyon nila? Ano po yung mga...
Yung meron pang may ngipin pa no? Basta meron pang tsura no? Sabay may ulo, kapon. Well, hopefully may makukuha DNA. We can start tracking, no? Yung isa parang female kasi may nahanapan din ng underwear ng babae sa isang sako na nahanap. So, lumalabas talaga. Meron talagang ganong incident na ni-report about a woman who was abducted in Lipa ba? Sa Lipa.
Sir, para lang malinaw, baka magkamali din po kami ng reporting. Yung kahapon po na tatlong in-exhume sa sementeryo ay kasama yung babaeng possible na babaeng sinasabi.
Possibly a female victim was there also.
Sir, ano po yung kondisyon nila? Sila po ba ay itsurang nalunod o ito po ba ay...
Hindi, remains na lang to kasi 5 taon na to nakalibing 5 taon na nakalibing.
Sir, I meant po, from the reports po noon, siguro po meron naman po mga papel ito.
Meron ba tayong police report? Noon? May police report. Pag-aaralan namin yung police report.
Sir, meron po bang participation dun sa kahapon na exhumation yung mga pahayag po ni alias sa Totoy or completely hiwalay po ito?
Hindi. Itong kahapon naman, itong kanina o kahapon?
Yung kahapon, sir, na exhumation po ng mga
kasama sa pahayag niya yan na in Lipa, there was a pregnant woman. Parang yun ang nakikita namin na possibility. Kasi pagdudugtungin mo yun, tapos meron pang ibang telltale signs, but I cannot reveal to you now. But there was a telltale sign where he said that may be, that is probably the people who were picked up and killed in Lipa, from Lipa.
Sir, you mentioned hopefully makunan pa ng DNA. Medyo masyado na...
Sana DNA makuha pa rin. Hindi natin masabi kasi hindi ako DNA expert, no? But we will try to... Kaya nga we're moving heaven and earth to get the best DNA people. Sabi ko nga, if we have to write Argentina, pinanggalingan namin ni Jesse. Argentina kasi meron talagang rito meron silang naging president because sa mga naging problema nila, they were able to establish identities of people through DNA remains. Mga taong nawala sa Peracidos in Argentina at that time. So DNA was the one used. So ito nga, we will move everything para lang makuha natin ang DNA bank na kinakailangan para ma-compare natin ang lahat.
Sir Luisa po, from PTV4. Sir, question lang dun sa mga in-exhume kahapon. Bali, nabanggit nyo kasi na pwedeng may relation din siya sa mga drug war victims. Ano po ba tong tatlong to?
Ito mukhang isabang to yung tatlo. Kasi sa Lipa na wala Sa Lipa na wala.
Wala po siyang relation sa drug war?
Ang relation kasi sa drug war, yung death squads na ginamit dito sa Isabong is a common death squad that was used in the drug war. And we can identify the units from which these people came from. Na-associate na namin yung history ng ibang opisyal na kasama rito.
Sir, last na po, from my end. Bali yung nakuhang remains today, ilan po? And mismo sa Laurel...
Hindi, 2 sacks were found. And we do not know how many people it belonged to. Ito yung cursory examination na-reveal ngayon na they're human remains. That's the cursory examination. But the laboratory and the forensic laboratory have not acted on this matter yet. They have to conduct their specific examinations to determine everything. Pre-record naman lahat yan eh. We ask them to really label the evidence properly para magagamit natin.
Hi Sir, Mads po from Net25. Sir, yung binabanggit nyo po, yung tatlo na galing sila dun sa na-report na nawala sa Lipa, ibig sabihin, hindi sila sir kasama dun sa 34 na missing sa Bongeros po?